Wow, what a pain in the neck that was. The old camera froze. I've been out here for about 20 minutes now, videotaping, thinking I was doing a great job, thinking I was showing you everything, and I haven't actually shown you anything yet. Camera froze. But anyway, what I just wanted to show you here, well, I'll do it in reverse now, I suppose. This is on the southern side of Cobbler Creek. Normally we're over the other side over there, and at the moment we're over here and we're showing all these wonderful bike trails here, different jumps, bridges and so forth that BMXers and mountain bikers can use. And I'll just go back down here and I'll show you this sign here. This is a wonderful thing that we have here, and it is open here. You can see cyclists coming from every which way, but just here, this, hope you can see that. It's a one-way trail, and that's what they have on all the trails here, that it's one way. That way it avoids that unfortunate collision you might have. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll just walk around a little bit more and just try and show you stuff without interfering with other people. Alright, I managed to get around there. I didn't want to disturb. There was a couple of young people there doing some videotaping. I'd take it for YouTube, on his BMX bike on the track there. I just didn't want to disturb their videoing and putting unnecessarily talking. Hello, now we've got some more kids coming down. I'll just turn around this way and for a little while until they pass. Got one more coming down, but yeah, anyway, here we go. He's just gone now. That's all right. Okay, back to what we're doing now. Obviously we're doing this in reverse again, and I'm so really upset that the camera froze there. I had some really good footage before. Anyway, not to worry. Just come down here and I'll show you where all the trails are. Just on our map here of this section. They have all different levels, beginners all the way through to most senior type riders. I think the longest trail, yeah, is 4 kilometers. There it is. That's a valley circuit trail. You know, we're currently around here, and they've got all these tracks through here, but there are tracks on the other side, which is way on the other side of those green trees. Absolutely awesome. Really good. All right, I'll just keep walking around and hopefully able to show you a little bit more without disturbing people around here. It's really great setup here. You know, you can come down here and bring in the little ones and your lot of older children. You leave the little ones here, or look after them, and the big kids can go off and on their mountain bikes, trail bikes, BMX, and just make it a wonderful day. Just absolutely fantastic. You know, it's really looked after well here. The disappointing thing is they don't do it on the other side of the park. They've really got to get into there. Even got a flying fox here. Yeah, they've really got to invest some more time, more effort into the other side and get that cared for. This is all where they've got young seedlings down here just growing in the garden. They're trying to stop the erosion here as well, I suppose, and put out little examples for everyone to see what they're doing, the plant types, different type of rock structures. And on the weekends quite often you come down here and you can see kids climbing all over these trees. It's just marvelous, really fantastic. Yes, so, and this is Cobbler Creek in South Australia. This is actually, this part here, this is in Salisbury, not too far from the city. It's quite easy to get out here, and it's for all different bike level, skill level for a cyclist, and some of the tracks are just quite long. You can go all the way through all these mountains up here. Just absolutely marvellous tracks. Really good. There's our eco-friendly toilets over there. Barbecues. Fresh water available. Anyway, that's enough of me talking for now. So if you're in Adelaide and you've got a push bike, just come down, have a look, check it out. Alright, thanks for watching.